Well, good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. I want to say it's the 31st, I think, the 31st of July. Well, I'm here at the house. I'm fixing to do something. I'm going to put a rack on my Jeep. There's the box. I've been unpacking it. I'm putting it all out, nice, spread out right, nice and neat. And then I'm going to start putting it on the Jeep. Putting it together first and then putting it on the Jeep. So stick with me. I'll show you how to put this Jeep rack together. We're going to go from this to this. Okay, folks, here you go. I got all the parts lined up. They're not marked, but they're definitely separated, so we can go by the instruction sheets. A couple of the tools I pulled out. It has the side brackets. I got 4 of them. There's 3 here, and then I put one up here just to see how it blended. It blends very well with the hood of the Jeep. And then here's all the parts laid out. I'm just using the back of my Jeep to assemble it. But everything comes in the packet or in the kit, and it even comes with 4 LED lights that you can put on the rack. I personally am not going to put the lights on there. I'm not going to use it for that, so I may put them on later, but right now I'm not worried about lights. All right, so step 1 says layout, place out in order, which I've already done that. I've placed everything out, and there's your materials list. And step 2 says assemble the rack and ensure that all hardware is firm and tight. So we're going to start doing that now. Okay, folks, so I got the thing all put together. Except for I only have half the screws in it because I'm going to put Loctite on each one of the bolts. I just want to get it set up there and put in place so we can lock down the anchors, 4 anchors, and then I'll tighten it all up and it'll be done. But you can see it's not much to it. Just a rack, 4 slats to go across. It's just to help you carry whatever you need to carry. Okay, folks, now what I want to show you here is something that you gotta read into the language of the instructions because it really doesn't show you. But so the instructions talks about this little rubber pad. Well, it says to put it on the inside, which is on the inside of this and on the inside of that, so it doesn't mar your surface of the vehicle. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, folks, the instructions say that you should put these pads on here. It really doesn't show a good indication as to where they go, but I'm just going to go off of what I think because I don't want to mar the truck. So I'm taking the bracket apart, and you'll see where I put one. I put one on the inside of this one and on the outside of this one. So when they come together, whatever gets sandwiched is going to be protected by these pads. So that's it, and it doesn't show a very good picture. It says start by attaching the provided sponge to the position indicated by the arrow. There is no arrow on this picture. There's no arrow on the thing itself. So, but I do want to show you, so now you can see where there's a pad on the inside there and a pad on the inside there, so no matter what it clamps to, it's going to give you some kind of cushion from marring. All right, well, here's what the brackets look like when they're on, and the distance between from here to here is roughly 37.5 inches. Okay, this one here I can still move this one a little bit left to right if I have to, but we're going to have to get it up there first. So my dad's going to help me pick it up. Here's the rack. We're going to pick it up and put it up on top of the on top of the truck. Okay guys, I had my dad help me put it up there. I didn't videotape it because I forgot to push the button, but that's okay. You saw how I got it up. You see how it is. I got it on each one of these blocks right here. I only have one screw in because I'm going to put Loctite on every one of them, but I got 4 bolts. I don't know if I can show you that or not, but there's a bolt there. There's one on each corner, and I'm going to Loctite them all. But I just wanted to get it in there to show you what it looks like, and there it is, finished product, folks. I mean, before it's Loctite. The roof rack is in. It does come with the lighting accessories. It's got 4 lights that come with the package that you buy. I'll have a link in the description of which one it is, and you can see each one of them come with a nice little LED light that you can hook up there. I'm not putting lights on there because I'm not much of an off-roader, or at least the vehicle's not much on off-roading. So I'm just gonna go with just like it is stock, so I can just put luggage up there, or I'm gonna put some boxes or whatever I'm carrying. But it's got holes galore, places for bungees, the nets or whatever, and it's just an added space for you for when you're, sorry for the traffic folks, but when you're traveling or whenever you're trying to get stuff carried from one location to the other, more space besides having to just do the back of the truck. Well, there you have it, folks. Look. The rack is installed. All the bolts have been Loctited in with the thread locker. It's got the nice little roof rack up there, and this is able to fit on any Wrangler, Gladiator, the JK or JL model. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like from up here. All thread locked in. There's the view from the rear. That's what it looks like. Check out what it looks like from the front. There's what it looks like from the front. I guess you can adjust it to whether you want it all forward or all back. I wanted mine all back. So there you have it, folks. It's called the Wyzona Roof Rack. All right, folks, I started here earlier, and a couple hours later, and look, the box is empty. It's all gone. It's on the roof, folks. Now I got a roof rack for the Jeep in case I need to haul something extra.